You can view the projects in the system by selecting it in the menu. From here, you will view a list of the projects in the system. By clicking on the arrow next to one of them will bring you to the detail view for each of the projects. The Gantt Chart tab will actually show you the tasks that are associated with that particular project in a graphical view. From here, you may actually move them around, link them together, and modify them, thus making them dependent on each other. From here, you may change the view to a day, week, month, or year view. You may also export this view to PDF. Clicking on the Resources tab, you are able to view and modify the resources assigned to this project, whether they are internal or whether they are client resources. If there are any files, such as contracts, images, PDFs that are associated with this particular project, they can be stored and viewed here. If anybody internally has recorded any activities associated with this particular project, they would be viewable here. New ones can be created by clicking on the plus in the top right. If you're clicking on the Time tab, you will be able to view any time that any employees or contractors have entered into the system specific to this project. Clicking on Task tab will actually show you the tasks that actually make up this particular project. From here, you are able to enter an estimated number of hours that you had budgeted. If an employee had entered any time, it would actually show it here, and it would be deducted from the budgeted number, giving you a modified number of remaining hours left. From here, you can also assign internal resources to that particular task. From here, you could change the start date, the due date, and the status of that particular task. The Details tab brings you to one large text field where you can just enter basic details having to do with that particular project. Clicking on the View Full Screen tab will actually fill up your entire display with the Gantt chart.